Here, and when you go to a networking event, are you conscious of the conversations that you're having? Are you asking open-ended questions? Now, if you're a parent, you know that when you pick up from school and you say, how was the day? And the kids go, good, bad, the conversation gets shut down really quickly. So try to ask an open question, a question that takes more than a monosyllabic response. I used to use, what's the best thing that's happened in your day today? Or what would you like to change about today if it was in your control? So you can use the same sorts of questions when you're networking or having a coffee with someone. Think about how you can learn a little bit about them, but not having to, result with what do you do. A better question really is what impact you have on your clients, or tell me about a client that you've been working with so I can better understand how you help them and maybe how I can help them too. So think about those questions and keep them open.